Today we have a new presentation, a Swiss made watch from the well-known watchmaker Certina. Certina Swiss watches since 1888. That says all. Let's unbox this. It's a nice package from Certina. It's a matte black box. Okay. More boxes inside. It's a nice presentation. Okay, let's get this out. Let's open this. Actually, I admit I already unboxed this watch because I wanted to change the strap it came with this strap. Okay, let's take it out. Very nice box, quality box. So, came with this silicone strap. You see it says Certina here on the buckle. But I take it out and I replace it with this one. A black leather strap with some red stitching. So, this model is part of the DS Furious collection, and the model is called C011.410.27.057.00. Okay, let's talk about the watch. Okay, so the case diameter of this watch is 41.5 millimeters. You can see it has a polished surface here on top. It's made of stainless steel, of course. The glass is actually a crystal sapphire with anti-reflective coating. Has a black dial. It has a date function here at 6 o'clock. The thickness is 10.7 millimeters, so it's okay. It's a very light watch. It weighs 92 grams. And as you can see, this is a quartz watch. It has a quartz movement. And it's an ETA F06.111 EOL. This watch has a water resistance of about 100 meters. The strap width is 22 millimeters, and of course you can see it's a sport watch. That's why I replaced the strap. The silicone strap was okay, but I wanted this one. Here is the back. It says stainless steel, 316L, sapphire crystal, water resistant, 100 meters. Here on the crown it says DS. I don't know if you can see this. Yes, it's also a not expensive watch. On the internet you can pay up to $200. So for a Swiss made Certina watch, I think that's very good value for the money. Let's put it on the wrist. So how about that? A very nice watch. Okay, that was it for today. If you want more videos like this one, hit the like button and leave a comment, and subscribe to the Watch Hostage channel. Until next time, be safe.